Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a team and add members in Microsoft Teams. This is a fundamental skill for anyone looking to collaborate effectively with colleagues, as it allows you to organize conversations, share files, and work together in dedicated spaces. Let's start by opening Microsoft Teams and logging into your account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials to access your workspace. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left sidebar where you'll find several navigation options. Click on Chat from the options on the left side. This is your main hub for conversations and team interactions. Within the chat section, you'll notice an option labeled Teams and Channels. Go ahead and click on it, then select See All Your Teams. This will give you a complete overview of all the teams you're currently part of or have access to. Now direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see a button that says Create Team. Click on this button to begin setting up your new team. This is where you'll define the core details that give your team its identity and purpose. You'll be prompted to input several pieces of information. First, enter a team name that clearly reflects the purpose or project your team will focus on. Next, add a description to provide context about what this team is for and what members can expect. You'll also need to provide a first channel name, which serves as the default space where your team's initial conversations will take place. Before moving forward, click on Team Type to choose between private or public. A private team means only invited members can join and see content, while a public team allows anyone in your organization to discover and join it. Choose the option that best fits your team's needs and privacy requirements. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, click Create. Now you'll need to wait a moment while Microsoft Teams processes your request and sets up the new team. This usually takes just a few seconds, but be patient as the system prepares your workspace. After the team is created, the platform will automatically prompt you to add members. Here you can input either the name or email address of the people you want to invite. As you type, Microsoft Teams will suggest matching contacts from your organization. Once you've found the right person, click Add to include them in your team. You can repeat this process to add as many members as you need. And that's it. You've successfully created a team and added members in Microsoft Teams, giving you a dedicated space to collaborate and communicate effectively. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.